Cemtol is an automotive manufacturer. We have a very supportive and collaborative team here, and they really make this place worthwhile to come to. We have 91,000 square feet, and we have tried to make the best out of every single square inch of this facility.
One of the biggest energy savings projects that we did was the compressor pressure reduction across the plant. We've reduced it to a sweet spot of 80 psi across the shop floor.
The Save on Energy program has been very, very beneficial for us. How much energy it takes to actually compress that air is mind-boggling when it actually comes to like your energy usage and all of that kind of stuff.
Now that we've got a good baseline, we know where we're at and we know what we want to improve. And then this will help us, keep the projects going, keep the momentum that we've built already in 2024.
There was a lot of work, preparation, and work that went into sizing everything properly. And I think it just shows our commitment to pushing through roadblocks and to work as a team to, reduce costs and reduce energy use.
Recently, we've started to share that information out to our production supervisors, to the full maintenance staff, the whole engineering team, to try to get them a little bit more engaged to see what we're doing and see the impacts that we've had so far.
Honestly, I'm proud of my team. I'm proud of the fact that we're working together in such a supportive and collaborative way. It's funny because you don't necessarily think that what you're doing here is as impressive just because it's a part of your day-to-day work, right? So by actually winning the award and understanding that it was a big feat that we actually accomplished and having that recognition is really, it's really special.